welcome to the Ravenforge News. This evening we're going to be covering the HGV driver shortage in the UK and its biggest victim to date. While we at Ravenforge do hold a large stock of axes, swords and knives, we do expect to start seeing empty shelves within a matter of moments, seconds, possibly right now. I'm actually surprised there's still a wall full of axes behind me. Outside Ravenforge HQ, there has been amassing a crowd. We at Ravenforge never wanted to resort to rubber bullets or hydro cannons, but it's on the cards. We're not yet sure how to disperse these crowds. Only one thing is certain, we don't have enough axes to go around. Here you can see there is a swarm of humans surrounding the doors at Ravenforge outside this very office. These are dire times, and we at Ravenforge hope the news can only get better. For now, we're going to go across to Sam with the local weather.
Thanks, Tom. I didn't know you wore glasses. Sam here with the weather. And today, as you see, it's starting to rain. The weather is turning from bad to worse, and we're hoping, given the diesel shortage, that the weather isn't going to be a contributing factor in the continued Jesus Christ. But as you can see, it's wet as an oldest pocket out here. I'm hoping that Jesus Christ. And I think that's nearly all for us. We're hoping to be back with you shortly, where you might catch some sport. But until then, this is thank you from Sam with the weather here at Ravenforge, and we will see you shortly.